Hello.
Guys, welcome back. So today we're going to pull the engine out of B's race car so that we can prep the chassis to remove the paint and get it prepped to paint again for next year.
Yay. I'm excited.
Let's get to it. Guys, I had planned on, doing a quick little time lapse on this video for removing the engine. I found something on the car that I wanted to bring to everyone's attention whenever, taking a car apart. And it's about being very aware of what you take apart, what it's like when you take it apart, and what I'm trying to say, how you're doing. What I'm trying to say is, here's a prime example, right? So I'm looking at what all we need to do to take the engine out of the car. And as you can see, we have the starter over here with the starter solenoid, and then we have the wire that comes over to the battery. And you can see that that battery wire is black. So you can see that the red wire is going to the chassis ground, right? And so I'm like, oh man, no big deal, but let me just verify on the battery. And so as you can see on the battery, I'll move this out of the way, it is the negative side of the battery. So now whenever we get ready to put the car back together, obviously we're gonna fix the 12 volt positive, the red one. So that's gonna go from the positive to the starter solenoid. And then we're gonna fix, the black one for the chassis ground because we want everything to be right. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. Whenever you buy a car or, a motorcycle or a piece of equipment, whatever it is, if it has electronics in it, make sure you're paying attention to what you take apart and what you put back together, because this could have ended, very, very badly if we would have crossed those and, shorted out the starter solenoid. Well, that was easy. All we needed was a 13 millimeter wrench, an Allen wrench, a 7/8 wrench, flathead screwdriver, and that's about it. Good work.
Recommended to put it on the ground before you lift it.
Yeah, make sure you put the car on the ground before you pull the engine out, because however high your car is off the ground, that's the extra distance that you got to cover while lifting the engine.
And some people may not have the strength for that.
Yep.
I sure did not.
All right, let's get it washed.